Hi guys, this is your Tito Carl, and as some of you already know and have seen my last post, I have been on a journey para po maging healthier than I used to be. I mentioned na yung mga health problems ko in the past, and I have also shared with you a little bit about what I have been doing already. And tonight, just to show you that one of the most important things sa fitness journey is consistency. So, ang gagawin ko ngayon is that I will be walking, but what I'll do today is to combine my walking with some jogging, okay? So, I have my equipment now, ready na ako. I have a shirt that helps me to perspire. Fit, yun. I have my watch that helps me to count the number of steps at saka yung na-consume ko na calories and then of course my rubber shoes. I have a bit of earpods ngayong gabi so that I can listen to music, listen to a podcast. It's so hot today, so what I did was to wait until tonight, 7:30, para ngayon ako tumakbo instead of kaninang hapon na sobrang init talaga. Enough of what I'm saying, let's go! So the current time now is 7:30 in the evening. Pababa na ako, I'm taking the stairs. Sayang din yung mag-burn na calories sa pagbaba ng stairs and mamaya sa paakyat naman. Okay? So guys, nag-start tayo, pretty easy lang, brisk walking lang kasi hindi ako nag-stretching. So, hindi advisable na tumakbo agad. So, we'll make one round na puro lakad and then I'll start to jog naman ulit mamaya. Basketball. Next time na siguro. For now, jogging lang muna. Like this guy. Full moon. Ganda. So guys, medyo naka-warm up na konti sa paglalakad. We'll start jogging naman, okay? Target natin is to spend about maybe half an hour sa pagja-jogging ngayong gabi and burn, mga 600 calories and then spend 1 hour to reach 1,000, at least 15,000 steps, okay? Let's see what we can do. Alright, done for tonight. Alright guys, so naka-half an hour ako na jog tonight. Well, not entirely jog, no. So, combination siya ng walking or brisk walking at saka ng jogging. And the reason is, ayoko na mabigla yung sarili ko sa pure jogging kasi nag-start lang ako maybe just a few months ago, 3 months ago sa walking lang. So, hindi pa rin talaga ako masyadong sanay kasi mabigat pa rin timbang ko, medyo masakit pa rin siya sa tuhod, no? So, as soon as I can bring down my weight even more, baka sakaling makapag-jogging na ako dire-diretso. But so far, it was a good workout. Time check lang, I started around 8:30 and now it's 2100 or in other words 9 o'clock. I was able to achieve 300k cal na burn. Tapos 11,000, sorry tapon naman 11,382 total steps combined jogging at saka ng walking. So really, if you can do this every day for mga half an hour na walking / jogging, and targeting din na ma-reach nyo is mga around 10,000 kilometers, or even if 8,000 man lang, that will ensure that you will be burning most of your calorie intake of the day. Makatulong yun if you manage yung amount ng food. Huwag po masyadong malakas sa kanin kasi yun talaga yung nagproproduce yung sugar which converts into fat kapag hindi po natin siya na-burn. So, yun lang po na for now. So, I'll be back again. I'll checking back again with you on mga galawan na pambahay lang o di ka pang-outdoors workout, mga little movements as long as meron tayong ginagawa. So, galaw-galaw lang. Dahil kung hindi, matutulog kayo sa akin na 4 na beses na na-stroke. So, good night guys. Have a great evening.